Hello, good morning friends. Yeah, now we are come here after our native village to collect mango. This is a wild mango. It is not just like mangoes in the market that are available in very varieties, but it gives same taste. But here we collect them the wild mango, which is very small in size, but yet it gives us a good variety of taste. So now we are collecting here. You can see till the morning we have collected a bag of mango here. Just look at the small size of mangoes. Gives very tasty. We bring with a water bottle here because during the summer we just feel thirsty. That's why we came here with water bottles. Look at this guy.